The final stage of the SAMR ladder is the redefinition level, where technology allows for the creation of previously unimagined and inconceivable tasks. At this level, we are not just modifying tasks with technology while keeping the fundamental task at its centre, but we are using technology to completely redesign the task. The simple writing task we began with has now morphed into a multimodal, multimedia, multi-person activity that would have been unthinkable and impossible without technology. Your students' studies on Australia and New Zealand can now be enhanced with real-time contributions and collaboration from their peers in those countries through Skype, Facebook, or other real-time social networking services. Schools from the different countries can be linked, resulting in global collaboration projects, including features such as photographs, videos taken from multiple devices, graphics, and with multiple users editing the project, resulting in increased communication, accuracy, and productivity. Instead of just reading about how people from various countries live, your students can speak to peers from those countries to get first-hand knowledge, increasing their global awareness, English skills, motivation and enjoyment, all while providing practice in the skills that will make them global, digitally literate citizens of the world. The third term lessons on food from Australia and New Zealand can be redesigned to include the creation of an online cooking show where students from your class create instructional videos on how to make Japanese recipes. Their peers from Australian schools do the same, and they are refined and compiled onto a website. Imagine your students' homework is to make a pavlova with the guidance of their Australian peers' videos, rather than just read a recipe, as is now the case, and post updates on their success or failure. Imagine your students making step-by-step videos in English to guide their Australian peers in making nikujaga, gyoza, and Japanese curry, and compiling their efforts on a YouTube channel for a global audience. The use of mobile devices in education is another expanding area of interest for educational researchers. Making use of the affordances of a mobile phone in your lessons is another way to redefine learning tasks. Hockley suggests using GPS-enabled devices for a treasure hunt to receive and retrieve clues in specific locations in or outside the school, creating a completely new learning experience. You can find many more examples of redefinition on the web. Here are just a few sites to get you started.
Created using Powtoon.